Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on financial planning for startups. I'm thrilled to be your guide as we explore how to effectively manage your finances and make informed financial decisions for your startup. Plus, I have got an exciting online work opportunity for you to earn from home with weekly payments. This platform is government registered and legitimate. To find out more, head to our Instagram. Link is in the bio. Defining financial planning. So, what exactly is financial planning? Financial planning involves the art of setting specific financial objectives and crafting a strategic roadmap to achieve those goals. For startups, this means envisioning your revenue and expenses, mastering cash flow dynamics, and even securing the necessary capital. Importance of financial planning for startups. Understanding why financial planning is crucial for startups is essential. Here are some compelling reasons why you should pay close attention to your financial strategy. 1. It keeps you on a stable financial path. 2. It enhances your decision-making capabilities for your business. 3. It makes your startup more appealing to potential investors. 4. It provides the groundwork for scalable business growth. Key components of a startup financial plan. Now, let's delve into what should be included in your startup's financial plan. A robust financial plan encompasses the following elements. 1. An executive summary that offers a concise overview. 2. A comprehensive business description that highlights your venture's purpose and direction. 3. Detailed financial projections to anticipate future performance. 4. A cash flow statement to monitor the inflow and outflow of funds. 5. A balance sheet to gauge your startup's financial health. 6. An income statement outlining your revenue and expenses. 7. A section dedicated to risks and assumptions, preparing for uncertainties. Steps to craft your startup financial plan. Creating a startup financial plan can seem daunting, but breaking it down into steps simplifies the process. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Define your startup's goals. What do you aim to achieve? 2. Collect your financial data, gather income, expenses, and cash flow information. 3. Project future financials, forecast revenue and expenses over the coming years. 4. Develop essential financial statements, create cash flow, balance sheet, and income statement. 5. Identify potential risks and underlying assumptions. 6. Regularly review and update your plan, keeping it dynamic and relevant. In conclusion, financial planning is an indispensable component of launching and maintaining a successful business. By following the roadmap outlined in this video, you'll be better equipped to create a financial plan that aligns with your startup's goals. Additional tips for effective financial planning. Before we wrap up, here are a few extra pointers to maximize your financial planning efforts. 1. Seek guidance from a financial advisor tailored to your business needs. 2. Utilize specialized financial planning software to streamline your process. 3. Stay vigilant about tracking income, expenses, and cash flow regularly. 4. Remember, your financial plan is a living document. Ensure you update it consistently. I'm delighted that you've taken the time to delve into the world of financial planning for startups with me. If you're hungry for more knowledge about the intricacies of online business, earning from the comfort of your home, and even receiving weekly payments from a government-registered platform, I've got great news for you. For those of you eager to explore these opportunities and expand your skill set, I invite you to connect with me on Instagram. In my bio, you'll find a link that will lead you to a wealth of information and resources, all designed to empower you on your journey toward financial independence and success. Remember, learning and growth are ongoing processes, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Let's transform your aspirations into achievements together. Stay informed. Connect with me on Instagram for more. Thank you again for being a part of this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it valuable. Until next time.